Here are 7 smart home upgrades under $200 total the complete starter kit. Let us get straight into it. Number 1. Smart speaker, $25. Echo Dot or Nest Mini, the hub of your voice-controlled home. Controls all other devices you add from this list. Hands-free control from day one. Price, around $25. Number 2. Smart Bulb 3-pack, $25. Color-capable Wi-Fi bulbs for the living room. Scenes, schedules, and voice control from the first day. Govee or Sengle, both work out of the box. Price, around $25. Number 3. Smart Plug 4-pack, $25. Turn any dumb appliance into a smart one. Energy monitoring helps identify power hogs immediately. TP-Link. Casa Pack is the best value currently. Price, around $25. Number 4. Video Doorbell, $50. See who's at the door from anywhere in the world. Reolink or Eufy give excellent quality at the sub-$50 price. Installation takes 20 minutes with a standard doorbell wiring. Price, around $50. Number 5. Motion Sensor, 2-pack, $20. Auto lights in hallway and bathroom. Most used spaces. Aqara or IKEA sensors are under $10 each and last year's on battery. Your biggest daily quality of life upgrade for $20 total. Price, around $20. Number 6. Water leak sensor, $15. Under the kitchen sink and dishwasher. Protect your floors. Aqara T1 is the most reliable sensor at this price. One prevented leak makes this sensor worth 100x its cost. Price, around $15. Number 7. Smart Lock, $40. Wise or basic Eufy lock fit this budget surprisingly well. Auto lock alone is worth the upgrade. No more locked out moments. Pair with the smart speaker for voice unlock. Price, around $40. For $200, you can have a genuinely smart home from day one. Start with the speaker and plugs. Add the rest over 4 weeks. Follow for a new smart home tip every day.